Welcome back to Programmer YouTube channel. In this video session, we are going to cover how to manually create step report in Visual Studio. Let's switch back to Visual Studio. Okay, so as we have already seen that how to create step report using reporting wizard. Okay, so what is a step report? We have already seen that. Okay, in the step report, we should have one group column. Okay, and there is, I have also told you about the difference between step report and block report. Okay, so step report, the details row will be start from the next row of the group component. Okay, and in the block, the details will start from the same row where we have the group component. Okay, so we will see how to create report now. Okay, so I'm clicking on right clicking on the report, go into the add new item report. We have to put report name here. Let's put stepped report. Okay, just click on add. Okay, so as I have covered shared data source and shared data sets in the shared data set in the last session. Okay, so I'm going to use that shared data source and shared data set here. Okay, so I'm just pointing out to my shared data source here. So I will use share data source here. Okay, let's click on OK. Create the data set. We will use the shared data set here. These are the fields are coming. Okay, so let's insert the table. Right click here, insert and table. Okay, let me bring this to here. Okay, so what I want, see, to create any step report. Okay, we should have the group component. Okay, so what I will put yeah, product name here, description here, the description and product ID. Okay, so now this is the simple report. This is the tabular report where we have columns and rows. Okay, okay, it's loading. See, we have product name, description, product ID. To create the, what should I say, to create the step report, we should have one column as a group. Okay, so that column will be our country column. Okay, so how to uh, uh, do that, how to add the group here, where you see there are three lines. We have to right click on that, go to add group, click on parent group. Okay, now here it's showing group by. Okay, group by element. So we are going to group by country, so I'm selecting country here. Okay, and see this option, add group headers. Okay, if I tick on this, then there will be a blank row above the details. That means it will become a step report. Okay, so that means uh, the details will start from the next page of the country group. Okay, if I don't tick here, that will become our block report. That means the details row will start. Details row means product name, description, product ID will be start from next row, from the same row. That is the blocked report. Okay, so now we are going to create step report. So I'm taking this out. Let's click on OK. Okay, okay, so our report is ready. Okay, let's preview this. See, we have a group wise details, like here we have uh, India's details here, UK details here, and USA details here. Okay, so this is our step report. Let's make this report little bit fancy, I should say. Let's change the background color here. Okay, also if you want, you can change the font style. Okay, how to change the font style? In the property section, we have to go here. We can change the property. I personally like Calibri, so I'm selecting Calibri here. Okay, Calibri. Oh, it's going up. Calibri here. Okay, so our report is ready. Now it's looking good. So this is our step report. So in the upcoming session, we will see more stuff, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.